welcome or welcome back to another video.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Today is October the 5th, guys. So it's officially fall and it's cookie season. So I'm about to get some stuff for fall, like some decorations and like some fall like related scents and stuff. So I'll take you guys along with me, of course. While I am taking you guys shopping with me, I will be giving you guys a haul at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And this video will also have other stuff planned, so I hope you guys enjoy everything. Okay, y'all, I'm not getting this because I already have some at home, but y'all should definitely get this, the Method Body coconut one. And this one definitely gives like sugar cookie and vanilla, so y'all should get y'all one of these. Okay, so I also have some of this at home, but y'all definitely should get this too. This smells like sugar cookie and vanilla too, but I think I'm gonna try a different one. I think I'm gonna try the coconut waters one. This one smells good. It smells like vanilla and coconut, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Okay, so I just saw this. I have the soap for it, so I know it smells good, but I've never tried the lotion. If anybody in the comments has tried this lotion and it's moisturizing, let me know down below, and I'm gonna come back and get it.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild.
Oh, that's nasty. Oh my god. What is it? Oh my god. What is it? Oh my god. What is it? Vanilla pumpkin. Oh my god. It's nasty. I'm not getting this one, but y'all, this is so cute. Like, look at this little. This is so cute. It smells good though, but I don't want no pumpkin sauce.
I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of you. Damn. Look at what you.
Don't forget to like the video, comment down below what the video you like to see, and subscribe if you haven't already, because you're watching this far. Why are you not subscribed? You know? Okay.
I don't regret it. I know what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you're doing too much and you don't when I know.
Okay, so I am back and I'm gonna give you guys a mini haul of what I did get. I'm gonna start with like the hygiene and self-care stuff, because I don't have as much of that because I already have a lot of stuff at home. I just need to get a few things. So the first thing I got are these acne spots chef's kits. These are the best. The next thing I got is this Cocoa Divine body oil. This is very good for when you come out the shower, you know, moisturize and stuff. You can go with a different lotion. I tried a new EOS. This one is the coconut waters one. I have the other one. I forgot what it's called. I'll put a picture of it right here, but it's the purple one. That one smells really good, so I was like, I know the rest of them gotta smell good. So, you know, I tried a different one. This one gives coconut. It gives fall, so I had to get one of these for the video. I have mouthwash. I had the little ones. I liked how it worked, so I got a bigger one. But yeah, that's it for the hygiene stuff. Oh, I got some more setting spray too, but that's not really important. But that's it for, you know, the hygiene self-care stuff. Now I'm gonna get into the fall stuff. I didn't see that many fall decorations that I wanted in the store, but I did pick up a few things, and I had a few pumpkin decorations at home, starting with this cute little pumpkin right here, and here's another one, and this is the last one that I have. To go with the theme of fall, I got this whipped warm sugar shea butter Febreze spray. This smells so good, y'all. This smells like sugar cookies and vanilla, which I love. So yeah, the next thing I got is this candle. It's cinnamon and sugar pretzel. This smells so good. It literally, you can smell pretzel, you can smell the cinnamon, but it smells so good. I can't wait to light this later. The next thing I got, I've never tried this before. I've tried the Starbucks one, but I have never tried Dunkin'. So I got Dunkin' iced coffee. I'm going to fix this later. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge so it can get real cold, and then we're gonna try it on camera. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, my last two things, I got these marshmallows that are jelly filled. They're sour. Yeah, these are so good. Get you some. They chef's kiss. They're so good. And I also got some chessmen butter cookies. But yeah, that's all I got for the little mini haul. Stay tuned for everything else that I've planned. I'm probably going to read with you guys, crochet, buy the coffee, and other stuff. So definitely stay tuned. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you made it this far, don't forget to like the video. Comment down below what you thought of the video and what other videos you'd like to see in the future. And subscribe if you haven't already, because, you know. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I pick up my camera again. Okay, so I just got back from Family Dollar to see if they had any more fall stuff, because I feel like I don't have enough, but didn't really find anything there either. But I got this this Sprite keep out tape. It says haunted keep out, and I think I'm gonna put that in my classroom. And I also got some popcorn, because I will be watching a movie later, like a fall / Halloween type movie, and I want some popcorn to go with that. And the last thing I got, this really cute mug. It says Hello Pumpkin. It's so cute, y'all. I cannot wait to use this. I don't know when I'm using it, but I'm using it. But yeah, I just had to pick up my camera to tell you guys the last few things that I got. But I'll see you guys again. All right, so I'm back. I'm finally about to try this Dunkin' iced coffee. So I'm gonna try it with you guys and let you know what I think. I know it's not the real deal, but oh well. So we're gonna try this. This is actually pretty good. I give it a 10 out of 10. I think this might be better than the little Starbucks one in the little glass bottles. But I'm just gonna sip on this and I'm gonna read a book. And then I'll come back to you guys when I'm about to decorate my room a little bit with the fall colors. I don't have to do too much because I already have a few yellows and like reddish colors in my room. So I'm just gonna put the pumpkins up and we're gonna call it a day. And I have to clean my room, so. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished cleaning my room and I took a shower and stuff. So now it's time to, you know, relax, unwind, and chill and get ready to go to sleep. So I think to end off this video, I was going to read in this vlog, but I feel like y'all see that in every single like maintenance or self-care video I try to do. So we're not gonna do that again. We're gonna switch it up. Since it is October and it is spooky season, I am going to watch a Halloween related movie. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next video.
you doing now? Baby, now we can close. Let's go. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to stroke it for me.